Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Cucumbers are known as body coolants. They hydrate the body like no other vegetable in summers. Today I'm going to share a lovely recipe with cucumbers. We're going to make cucumber sandwiches with cream cheese. Now this particular sandwich is great for snacking and you can also pack it for your lunchbox. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. To a bowl, add 200 grams of cream cheese. To this, add 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, add half teaspoon of pepper. Next, add a little finely chopped mint leaves. Add a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Next, add half teaspoon of lemon juice and mix everything together. The cream cheese is already salted, so I'm not adding any extra salt. If you have the plain cream cheese, you can add a pinch of salt according to your taste because we are making this savory cheese spread. The cream cheese spread is coming together so beautifully. You can see all that lovely mint and coriander leaves. Now you can also add dill if it's available for you. Make sure you get some nice fresh cucumbers, cut off the ends and just slice it nice and thin. Now that the cucumber slices are ready, keep this aside. For this recipe, I've taken the regular white sandwich bread, cut off the ends on all sides. Take a little bit of the cheese spread, place it on both the slices, spread it out evenly on all sides of the bread. So I've made a recipe on how to make homemade cream cheese. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check that out and make your own cream cheese at home. Place the cucumber slices in 3 rows. Place the other slice on top and cut the sandwich into 2. Wow, you can see those beautiful, soft, moist, freshly made cucumber cream cheese sandwiches. Now these are cold sandwiches, you can enjoy them anytime and they are super easy to make. Just make sure the cucumbers are nice and fresh and they're also firm. Now I've used the white sandwich bread, but you can use any bread of your choice to make these sandwiches. You can use brown bread or multigrain bread. They make for a perfect lunchbox recipe. You can pack them for some nice evening tea time snacks. These sandwiches are perfect for the summer, so I would recommend you to try them and enjoy them. If you're looking to make a very quick snack for your kids or for anybody at home, this would be a perfect go-to recipe. Make sure the cucumbers are nice, firm and fresh and you can enjoy these sandwiches as is, or you can also serve it with some nice ketchup or mayo by the side. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.